Now, AJ Fox with your local Weather Authority forecast.
So there's actually something happening. It's not local, but if folks are going to be doing some traveling for a holiday weekend, and maybe your travels were going to take you to Florida, all right, this is not good timing. But currently, a hurricane is in the process of hitting the state of Florida right now. This is Hurricane Hermine, and it is moving in. It hasn't actually made landfall. Technically, landfall is when the eye actually hits the land. And although you can see most of the state is pretty well covered with some intense rainfall and strong winds, I'm sure right now, it actually hasn't made landfall and not expected to until later on tonight. Currently, 80-mile-per-hour winds. It makes it a Category 1 hurricane, and it'll still be a Category 1 hurricane as it makes landfall tonight, 2 a.m. Eastern time. That puts it right at the beginning of our 11 o'clock news in the west. And so it's going to turn into a tropical storm as it moves right up the coastline, causing a lot of rain. Tropical storms, even though it sounds less dangerous than a hurricane, lots of flooding all up and down that section, that swath of distance that you saw on that map. So anything from Florida up to Virginia in the next 24 hours is probably going to get some flooding. 94 in Fresno currently, 93 in Madera, 91 in Visalia. Good breeze out of the northwest, generally in that 5 to 15 mile per hour range, and so that breeze is exactly what it is, but it's delivering some cooler air, although it's very dry air. Our skies remain clear. No big surprise there, and I thought we might keep our skies clear through tomorrow. According to Futurecast, there might be a little low cloudiness and fog along the coastline, but again, that's that cooler air trying to spill into the valley. Temperatures tonight, very nice in the overnight hours. A lot of 50s and even lower 60s. 59 in Pixley, Corcoran, 57 in Lemoore, 62 in Coalinga, 60 in 5 Points, 58 in San Joaquin and Mendota, 57 in Madera, Chowchilla 56, 59 in Mariposa, 57 in Merced and also Los Banos, with a high there of 90, 91 in Merced, Dos Palos 92, 93 in Chowchilla, 92 in Madera, 95 in San Joaquin, Selma, Hanford, Lemoore, 94, 92 in Visalia, Corcoran and Kettleman City 95, same for Pixley, Porterville 92 degrees. Air quality will be good to moderate. No unhealthy counties showing up. That's great news for us. Haven't had good air quality in our viewing area in quite some time. 62 tonight. Northwest wind up to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow, expect a high of 94, pretty similar to today. Our current temperature is 94, and I expect our temperatures to continue to get a little cooler every day right on into the holiday weekend. This Labor Day weekend, we've got a couple of days in the 80s, and the 90s will return during the short work week. So 90 on Saturday. Look at Sunday. 86 degrees. That's fantastic. 88 then on Monday, then back into the 90s with a lot of sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday, and on Thursday of next week. Regional forecasts are available on our website at yourcentralvalley.com. So we're going to keep an eye on the East Coast, and also there's another hurricane that's threatening. It's a good distance from Hawaii, but it may cause some, may head their direction too. Keep an eye on that one. But the one that's hitting Florida right now, that one's got everybody's attention.
Right.
All right. AJ, thanks so much. Well, experts